This is AI News Radio reporting. President-elect Donald Trump's pledge to impose sweeping tariffs on imported goods faces potential legal and legislative hurdles as businesses and lawmakers gear up to challenge his ambitious plan. Trump's proposal includes a general 20% tariff on all imports and an additional 60% tariff on goods from China, sparking widespread concern across industries ranging from footwear to technology. Companies and trade groups are already preparing for battle, with legal challenges in the works and efforts underway to lobby Congress to limit presidential power over tariffs. Meanwhile, businesses are rushing to import as many goods as possible before Trump takes office, fearing the financial impact of the proposed tariffs. While Trump has expressed confidence in his authority to act unilaterally, his power to impose tariffs isn't without limits. Under the U.S. Constitution, Congress holds the power to enact tariffs. However, decades of legislation have delegated significant authority to the president, allowing the use of tariffs for national security, emergencies, or combating unfair trade practices. Past presidents, including Trump during his first term, have leveraged this authority to impose substantial tariffs on products like steel, aluminum, and goods from China. This time, Trump's plan is far more expansive, and now covering all imports from every country, and raises serious questions about whether such a sweeping action exceeds the power granted by Congress. Legal experts and business groups argue that the broad scope of Trump's proposal may face stronger resistance in courts and Congress than his earlier tariffs. The conservative majority Supreme Court, which has previously curbed executive power when not explicitly authorized by Congress, could pose a significant obstacle. Legal experts suggest that the court might view Trump's plan as overstepping the authority delegated to the presidency. Alan Morrison, a professor at George Washington University Law School, predicts a wave of legal challenges from businesses across industries, though some may hesitate to provoke Trump, who he describes as a vindictive man. On the campaign trail, Trump made tariffs a cornerstone of his economic plan, presenting them as a way to protect American industries, encourage companies to bring manufacturing back to the U.S., and shield domestic businesses from cheaper foreign competition. Tariffs, which are paid by companies importing goods into the U.S., either for direct sale or for use in manufacturing, are designed to level the playing field for American producers. To me, the most beautiful word in the dictionary is tariff, and it's my favorite word. Trump said during a speech at the Chicago Economic Club in October, "It needs a public relations firm to help it, but to me, it's the most beautiful word in the dictionary." As Trump prepares to take office, the tension between his bold economic promises and the legal and political realities of tariff implementation sets the stage for a significant battle. How far Trump can go and how much resistance he will face could shape the future of U.S. trade policy and the global economy. Stay tuned for more on this story and subscribe.